Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and welcome to show and tell number 46. Sorry to double check the number. I keep double checking, triple checking, and I still keep forgetting. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Hopefully this will go up tonight or this afternoon or something like that. I don't know. I just don't know anymore. So quick channel information starting tomorrow. Ooh, let me shift that to where I'm a little bit more centered and not so. So starting tomorrow, I will be starting early Vlogmas. I was planning on starting early, but we're already going to have kind of a condensed season, and most of the exciting stuff for me to share actually happens early in the season, not late in the season, especially since we're not doing our Christmas party this year. So I will be starting Vlogmas early this year. I will be starting tomorrow. We have our giveaway on December 1st, which is Sunday. I mean, I'm starting like 3 days early. Like, not a big deal. Anyway, so we do have the giveaway winner will be announced on my Vlogmas video for December 1st. Yeah, I think that's everything for the channel. Vlogmas, giveaway. Yeah. So life updates. My stepson and his girlfriend are coming for dinner tonight. One of my stepsons. Yeah. I did a little shopping this morning online for my grandkids at Kohl's, just for the record. If you're looking for cute shirts for kids, like Kohl's almost always has a nice collection for boys and girls. My granddaughter right now is into unicorns, so I found a couple really cute shirts for her. And my grandson is into a little bit of everything, so I got some fun stuff for him as well. So those will be here in the next couple weeks. I did get some stocking stuffers for my middle stepson's girlfriend. I got a couple gifts for myself because 60% off sales. There are a number of sales and deals going on for craft supplies. I am not looking at the emails. The only one I did notice was Simon Says Stamp is having 30% off sale on all of their in-house brand. So anything that's a Simon Says Stamp release is 30% off with their code, but that's on the splash screen for their website. I haven't seen anything from like scrapbook.com, Craft Direct, or any of those companies yet. And I'm not opening any emails from Michael's, Joann's, or Hobby Lobby. This is a new mug. Last year I did not get one, but these are from Hobby Lobby. I got another one. I'm sure you'll see it in a video shortly. It is still early. It's 10 a.m. I'm still sipping on coffee. I probably should be underwater by now, but coffee it is. Troy's got the turkey going. I did all the sides yesterday, so all I have to do is drop those into the oven. We're not doing anything super exciting with that. So let's crack on with what I've done this week. Not that much. We had our gutters cleaned and the back deck pressure wash because it was just and we had an electrician out who fixed some stuff in the kitchen down here. And if you hear like weird music in the background, my husband's playing a video game in the next room, so I do have the door shut, but sometimes there's weird bleed over here. But yeah, so he fixed the microwave over it's a built-in slot. He fixed that, and he got some outlets put in for us so we could put lights in the front yard. For some reason, when they built the house, they ran all the wires for these things, but just covered them instead of putting the outlets in. Whatever. So the first thing I worked on this week, aside from I'm still working on my mom's blanket, I'm on my 11th ball of Vantage Choice going into it, and I've turned my third corner now. So now I'm officially decreasing all the way down now. So progress. And then once I do that, I still have to pick a border for it. And then I have to figure out what I'm going to make my dad. Because now we're down to like, I need to get that in the mail in like 2.5 weeks, maybe. And I need to have a blocking party. I have something for my sister-in-law that needs to be blocked. I have a gift for a friend of mine that needs to be blocked. I'm going to have so much mail going out. Not even funny. And I still have to figure out what I'm going to send some special littles in my family. And with littles, I mean like under 12. So the first things I worked on were my lighter box. I did finish crocheting the mug cozy. I just need to sew my button on and trim my ends. How pretty is that? Yeah, it's still trying to catch my face. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I really love how this yarn worked up. It's a really beautiful yarn. I was able to miss pulling for the most part, which was, I prefer to not have it pull too much. And then I did do my mitts. I think what I'm going to do though is, because of how much yarn I have left over, I think I might actually come back and reattach the yarn and do a ribbed cuff just to get a little bit more length. It's fine the way it is. There's nothing wrong with the way it is, but I still have 50 grams left and I don't know what to do with it unless then I'm still going to have leftovers and it's going to be an even weirder amount. I don't know. But yeah, so the 2 projects for this box this month only took, see, this one pulled a little bit more with the pink. I mean, it took 50 grams to do these. I'm really happy with that. I like this as a set for the around the house, which makes it even cooler. I did use the hook. Because it's a size B hook and I tend to be clumsy with tiny hooks anyway, it was a little difficult to get used to using. However, that does not mean the hook is bad. The hook is excellent. But I did have to switch to my Clover Amore. It's just standard Amore hook handle. So it wasn't so, but I did do the whole mug cozy using the lighter hook. I think if it were a size I hook, I'd be able to handle it better and be able to transition down easier. But a lot of it's just the way I hold my yarn and hold my hook. I don't hold it, even for an overhand hooker, I don't hold it in a very standard way. So I got those done. And I did a dishcloth while we were in the car the other day. This is just lemon peel stitch with a half double crochet border. It's my go-to dishcloth. It still looks a little wonky. I haven't woven in the ends yet because I need to have a weaving party too. I need to block the blocks for my poncho. I need to block a shawl. I need to block my sister-in-law's gift. I have so much work left to do. Not to mention, I'm wanting to use some of these cakes to make some baby blankets for the Project Preemie. I'd mentioned before I really wanted to do maybe a preemie blanket a week during Advent. Anyway, so I did get some cards made, and I couldn't remember if I had shared these last week or not. It seems like I just finished these, but I haven't been filming on my normal days, so I'm having a hard time remembering, like, yeah. So I've got 12 of each of these designs, and they will have a little banner that says, you know, Merry Christmas, or I'll put something here just to fill them out. None of these have insides. If you saw the package I sent Debbie, the Canadian crocheter, I actually told her inside the card, like, I didn't have time to finish the card, but I wanted to make sure I got it out to you. Since I'm sending you a birthday package anyway, get it all in one. This is 2 more very simple designs. And I've got 12 of each of these. And I've got 4 of this design. And then these, So the background is identical on all of these, but the sticker pack that I use, the stickers that I used on them are different. So as you see, this one doesn't have a cardinal. It's got little hollies and it's got a extra little ornament. I did use the entire sticker pack. So I've used, I think, 3 rolls of ATG, 2 rolls of foam tape, the crappy foam tape that I hate, and 1 package of stickers is completely used up. So I am using them up. Ooh, he got bumped out of alignment there. I am over 100 cards made. I'm pretty excited about that. And I have, I think when I counted, it was 10 sheets left or 8 sheets left of that pad that haven't been cut into. I probably going to take the navy blue with gold stars and make some thank you cards or something out of them, or cover a notebook if I've got some ephemera or something that matches them. I really love that pink Christmas tree pattern, the pink background with the red and green trees on it, but nothing quite. This paper pack's weird because most of the time everything coordinates perfectly together and you can combine them in any combination and like they match and coordinate. This one, not so much. And I'm kind of like, as I flipped through it, I thought everything coordinated really well, but to be honest, like, just if you look at these together, you wouldn't think these came from the same paper pad, that these were a coordinate set. But they did. And that's the problem I'm having finishing using this paper pack. Now, the second pad, I have used like 12 sheets out of that already too. So I've used 48 sheets total so far. I might call it quits with this pad for now. I do need to do some just winter themed cards. I have some friends who are not Christian or don't celebrate Christmas. So I do need to get some just season's greetings cards out to those people. So I might take, just some general, sorry, Pippin's, yeah, getting ready to jump off the bookcase. Hello, Kitty Pie. You want to say hi? I might take, just something that's a little bit more non-denominational and out of the pad and do it. You say hi? Say hi. No, he wants to explore because there's stuff all over the floor. You sure is. Look at the camera. Show everybody how to. Oh, that's fur in my lipstick. Yeah, that's what I get for playing with him. Anyway, so yeah, I'll probably do that. He's got lipstick on his paw and he keeps sitting here. That's what you get. But yeah, I'm up to 100 cards, so I've got what I need, by and large. I need some more specialty cards just for a handful of people, but that'll be nothing to pull together in the end. I'm very overwhelmed this holiday season. I didn't have enough transition from moving to holidays, so I'm just kind of, not that I'm not wackadoo to begin with, but yeah, a little extra this time. I don't really have anything else to share. I don't want to sit here and just keep babbling at you guys because I'm really bad at doing that. Don't forget the giveaway, December 1st, which is Sunday. So go back through my videos and find the one where I discuss the giveaway. Thank you guys for your continued support and comments. There are quite a few new subscribers on here. I don't know how many of you guys are actually new to my channel or got unsubscribed from my channel, because about 2 weeks ago now on Sunday, I lost 150 subscribers out of nowhere. And over the last week and a half, I've slowly started building. But I know a number of you guys are new. You've come from where Crochet Society shared my video. Debbie at the Canadian Crocheter got her birthday gift. And I know a couple of you guys have come from her channel. And I know a few of you have come from Summer's Tips and Stitches. So welcome, newcomers, one and all. Happy Thanksgiving. And even though you're new, I'm still grateful for you because I make my content for you guys. But I don't want to sit here and like just either. So anyway, take care. I hope you enjoy this weekend with your family. I will be starting posting every day in the general theme of Vlogmas starting tomorrow. I look forward to seeing you all. Take care. Bye.